So you might be in a situation where for some reason Apple Pay keeps on declining. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, whenever you have something that comes up like this on your particular page, it may show you like a page that looks like this, where it's just like your page, your thing going through. But sometimes at the very bottom, it may say that payment failed or the payment has declined. And this can cause a lot of problems for a lot of different people. And for the most part, there's a couple of different ways to fix this. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is just making sure that on your particular account, if it's telling you that the payment has failed or the payment has declined or whatever, you want to make sure that you're using the proper account and proper information to pay for something. Sometimes if you go through and if you're using outdated credit card information or anything where the card's not working anymore, the credit card was expired or the credit card was canceled, it's not going to go through because that information is not working anymore. So you have to update your credit card information. That is sometimes the stuff you have to do. Again, that may end up fixing it for you. If that doesn't end up working, sometimes they may also mean that your Touch ID or your Face ID was also not working when you went ahead and set it up. So you do have to use either Touch ID or Face ID in order to go and use Apple Pay or anything like that. So if it keeps on failing or if it keeps on declining, another reason why they may not be working is because, again, you're just not inputting the right biometric information, such as a Touch ID or a Face ID type of thing. Now, if that's not working, another thing you may want to try doing is making sure that if you're using, Apple Pay, like if you're double tapping here and if you're putting it next to a phone or next to like a cash register, you may want to make sure you're putting it close enough and you're not taking it away as soon as it's done. That's another thing that can cause some problems. And if you're using something like this, where it's a payment portal online, you may want to make sure you're not exiting out or closing out or restarting your phone in the middle of a payment process either, because that can also cause some problems too. If none of those things work, I'd recommend going through and updating your iPhone. So make your way over into your iPhone just like so. Scroll over until you see general settings, click on software update, go and update your phone. That's another thing I'd recommend doing too. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.